The U.S. drone market demands NDAA compliance, and we're ready to deliver. In this video, we will be going over some of the key features for the ideaForge Netra. From top to bottom, this is an enterprise drone. But unlike other enterprise drones, the Netra is fully autonomous. Flights are initiated from a laptop or tablet where all control is focused. Here, you can employ the tap to fly function, place waypoints, or initiate a mission replay. Before beginning a mission, you can even check the estimated signal coverage area for your intended flight using a map shown on the app. The payloads are built with mapping and inspections in mind, with both thermal and RGB options available for purchase. One very unique feature of this aircraft and the ideaForge software is the ability to control the gimbal within the live stream feed from anywhere in the world. During a test at our flight field, we watched as someone operated the cameras all the way from India. All of this is possible with an impressive 60-minute flight time. Most importantly, as we mentioned at the top, this is an NDAA compliant drone, approved for use in the United States by public safety operators. We'll be showcasing more ideaForge content here in the near future, so make sure you're subscribed. Also, leave us any questions or comments you have on the Netra. We'll see you on the next one.